Yo! Yo! What the? Fun Monkey Horror has a new update, I can tell. Why is my color code like this? This is not my color code at all. Yeah, I'm gonna change my color code because I don't need to cost me crap. There's a lot of maps now. We're gonna start from here to down there. PvP, not PvPV. That's PvP. Who we killing today?
Look, when you
Die, loser. Come here.
I'm gonna get you!
What? Pow! Who wanna mess with me? Cause I'll shoot him. I'm gonna shoot you. Sorry, I'm be quiet, guys. Shut up. He's trying to tell me I don't like it.
Wait, Green, can you hear me? Green, can you hear me?
We can hear you, dude. Just...
Blue, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Oh, poop. You're not. Bye. How about the Okay. Second map is green. Oh, soon. Okay. What's place? Quiet place. I don't know if we're probably gonna do only half. Oh, I've seen this one before. It's pretty scary. It's not really scary though. Alright. Once we get jump scared. Y'all heard no fart. You guys did not hear that fart in the background. And if you did, poop. How's blood so fast? And what is he running from? Oh, that scared me so bad. I shot in my pants. What are y'all scared from?
Guys, we had the perfect...
Okay, that's it for this map. Yeah, alright, next map. Quiet place. Scary. Oh, God, no.
What the fuck?
I'm in here alone. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this map, guys. I'm sorry, but I'm not doing this map. Okay. So the only new ones was PvP, and this is also a new one, and that one. Pretty much all these are new. This is Area 51.
And dang, I don't remember it
what
being
the
this
Sigma?
dark.
I can barely hear
I'm
that,
so
so I don't know
good
why
in
I'm
this
vibing up. Oh, heck no!
Sonic, good look, I'm so good in this game.
You wish you could get me, Sonic, but you suck balls.
I'm titsy
Bro, got juice.
a kid.
I hope that's the only monster in this map. Oh,
No,
hey.
there's more monsters. Nope, there's more
as you come.
monsters.
Where's he at?
I saw a monster over there.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I'm not messing with this. Okay, now come on now. Come on. You know that. You know how scary I was. That was a scary. Freak no. Freak no. What is this map? There's 8 people. I guess counting me. So technically,
so dark here.
7 people. There's one.
No.
Yo, what's good?
Okay.
Have you
Oh,
played
yeah,
this yet?
yeah.
I
Oh my
haven't. This is my
god.
first-
Oh my god.
Where is Grandpa?
He's over here,
Chill.
guys.
What is this? Touch.
Yo, Grandpa. Grandpa's aggressive.
What are you yapping about, bro? Grandpa's aggressive.
No, Grandpa's aggressive. Wait, look at this man. My God,
no.
Grandpa. Grandpa.
Bro. What the Sigma is this?
Grandpa,
Oh, heck no, I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I am not getting jump scared already.
why that monster
There
is
ain't
so
no way.
loud? Yo, Grandpa tripping.
Grandpa is tripping. What are you yapping about? Like, what is he yapping about? Grandpa is yapping.
I see you, Grandpa. Can.
What?
Grandpa's a bus. Where's Monster? Big monkey, follow me.
His name is Grandpa.
His name is Grandpa.
Where's Grandpa at?
He's Grandpa. That's
His
Grandpa.
His name is Grandpa.
Yeah, he's Grandpa.
Bus.
That's Grandpa. No, no, no.
Oh no, I got in the back room now.
Back in No. This is place.
This is Looney
Chat. Heck no, nope. I quit. No, I'm just kidding. I don't quit. Hold on, I need fart. It's still going, but it's okay. I'm the only person in here. Really? What the Sigma? What the Sigma? What is this, Wreck-It Ralph? The heck is this? What kind of map is this? Alright, well, next map, I guess. Because this is not even a map, really. Because there's no one in here, so, like... Okay, keep calm. But I don't want to go in there. That's next. I'm pretty sure that says up next spot. And that's scary. Oh, space, run, crawl space. I'm pretty sure run is probably going to be the scariest because it's the only red one, only dark red one. So.
Criminal.
That's it?
Criminal.
Hey, you're a criminal. Get out of my face. Where do I go? Sigma. What the Sigma? What the Sigma? What
Oh
the
yeah,
Sigma?
what that Sigma? What that Sigma?
Stay the Sigma back, bro. Sigma. Jesus. Okay, chat. That one wasn't even scary, but it was just goofy. Like, what was that? Criminal. Space. But this isn't even a horror map. Oh god, it is horror. Good. I'm not the only person in here this time. I don't know where to go. I don't even want to be in here. Like, at all. Help me. Where do I go? I'm scared. I'm scared. And I don't gonna wake my mom up and she's gonna scream at me. Alright guys, it's my grandpa's birthday today. I want you to spam happy birthday for my grandpa in the chat. He's the best grandpa alive. I'm gonna hide in a corner because I'm scared. I'm gonna just hide in the corner. Mommy, please. Mommy, please don't hurt me. Mommy, please don't hurt me. It said there was like, what, 8 people in here? Where's the people at? Sorry about that, guys. That is, I can't control what people say. So,
I didn't freaking time to turn.
Oh my goodness,
I don't know what the flip is happening, but
Orange, I'm always behind you. I'm just invisible to you though.
what
You'll
the
never see
Sigma?
me.
What the Sigma? What the Sigma?
Yeah, Orange, keep on turning in circles like that.
What
There's
the
like
Sigma?
one more triple.
Oh, the most people have had today is 10. So,
Orange.
my kittens are meowing. What do they
behind
need?
you.
Mama, you better feed them. Take care of the babies so they stop meowing. This one's probably like the most scariest.
Bye bye.
But also not most scariest because I'm used to it. Because I've played Cross Space in VR before, and especially this one. And this game.
Get louder.
It's getting scary. Once I
It
get
is
so
getting
scared, I'm gonna
louder.
end the video, guys. Okay, so
Yeah, but
make sure
get
you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Because
I thought you're not freaking YouTuber.
what the Sigma? God, he's fast. I didn't know he was this fast. Heck no! Get away from me, Henry. I don't want to go down. Or just kill me.
Orange. Orange.